Hello students, hi, good morning. In this video we will discuss the aromatic characters of benzene or aromatic characters of the aromatic compounds in the chapter hydrocarbons, that is in subtopic aromatic compounds and aromatic characters. Okay, so the aromatic character means benzene, it is the basic structure, and aromatic characters, they are observed or decided on the character of benzene. Okay, but the compounds means aromatic compounds, they possess some unusual characters, and first of these means to decide whether the given compound is aromatic or not. The easy characteristic, that is when it is burned, then it forms a sooty flame because it contains large number of carbon atom and less percentage of hydrogen atom. Okay, but here there are the three rules which predict or decided whether the given compound is aromatic or not. And the first rule, that is the given compound is cyclic and planar. Cyclic and planar. Because of the sp2 carbon atoms which are present in the given aromatic compound or in given cyclic compound, here these compounds, these are planar compounds. Okay, and then second one, each aromatic compounds or atoms which is present in the given aromatic compound must contain p orbital. Must contain p orbital, and these p orbitals, they must be parallel to each other. Okay, they are the parallel to each other, so that the overlapping between these two, between the consecutive p orbital, these are takes place. Okay, so here this is the next condition. Then third and most condition, that is called as the Haeckel rule. So what is Haeckel rule? Haeckel rule, that is here 4n plus 2 pi electron, where n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. These are the integers. Means given aromatic compounds, whether it is the aromatic, means given a compound, whether it is the aromatic, then the molecular orbitals, pi molecular orbitals must contain 4n plus 2 pi electron, where n is equal to 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Okay, let us consider some examples which obey this rule. Again I repeat, here there are the three rules which decides the aromatic characters of the given compound, whether it is aromatic or non-aromatic. Okay, and first property characteristic is it must be cyclic and planar because of the sp2 carbon atoms which are present in the given aromatic cyclic compound. Here they are the planar. Then second one, each atoms in the cyclic aromatic compound must contain p orbital, and because of these p orbitals which are the parallel to each other, here there is a evidence of the alternate double bond, means their overlapping is possible and there is a alternate double bond is possible, and because of that the delocalization of pi electrons are possible, and because of that they possess the unusual characteristic of the aromaticity, and that is also called as the aromatic character, or it is also called as the aromaticity. Okay, and then last one, that is Haeckel rule. In the cyclic compound, pi molecular orbital must contain 4n plus 2 pi electrons, where n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. These are the integers. Okay, मग आता काय करायचं आहे आपल्याला काही एक्झाम्पल्स द्यायचे आणि ते एक्झाम्पल्स अरोमॅटिक म्हणजे या रूल्स मध्ये, या कॅरेक्टर्स मध्ये हे बरोबर ठरतात की नाही, म्हणजे ते जे प्रेडिक्शन केलेलं आहे आपण ते ओबे करतात की नाही हे बघायचं. ठीक आहे, मग बेस्ट एक्झाम्पल कुठला, सर्वांनाच माहिती असलेला पहिले एक्झाम्पल ते म्हणजे बेन्झीन. ओके, मग आता बेन्झीन हॅव्हिंग जनरल मॉलिक्युलर फॉर्म्युला C6H6. Okay, so it is a cyclic and planar. cyclic and planar. Here the structure is just like this. Here C, 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 C. Okay. And these 6 carbon atom, here one hydrogen atom on each carbon atom, therefore C6H6. Then here sigma bond overlapping and each carbon atom is sp2 hybridized. Therefore it is cyclic and it is planar. Then each carbon atom it contains p orbital in this way. Means the atoms, each atoms in the cyclic compound must contain p orbital. Yes, p orbital. Then each p orbital, these are the parallel to each other. They are the parallel to each other. And because of that, here overlapping is possible. Okay. So here, this is the next one. Yes, overlapping possible. This is cyclic and planar, and these are p orbitals which are parallel to each other. These 2 conditions they are satisfied. Then third one, in the Huckel rule, here there are 6 pi electron. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Means here 4n plus 2 is equal to 6. Whether it is aromatic or not, if n comes to be an integer, then the given compound is aromatic. Okay, म्हणजे काय तर 4n plus 2 is equal to 6 केल्यानंतर जेव्हा हा n हा इंटीजर येईल 0, 1, 2, 3 असे काहीतरी नंबर येतील, म्हणजे याचा अर्थ कन्फर्म होईल की आपला गिवन कंपाउंड इज अ aromatic. It shows the aromaticity. It has the aromatic character. So here 4n is equal to 4. हा 2 केला तर then 4n is equal to 4. Therefore n is equal to 4 by 4 and n is equal to 1. As n comes to be integer and therefore the benzene is given compound, that is benzene C6H6, it is an aromatic compound. Okay, next one compound, that is naphthalene. Naphthalene was, you know, in Marathi it is dabar goli, बरोबर? Okay. मग naphthalene, here this compound is just like this. Okay. So here planar and first condition, that is it is cyclic and planar. Because of all carbon atoms they are the sp2. Then sp2 hybridized. Second, all these are just like benzene. All these contain here p orbitals. Means all atoms in the naphthalene atoms contain p orbitals, and these p orbitals they are the parallel to each other, so that overlapping is possible. Okay, and third one, that is Huckel rule. Huckel rule, here 4n plus 2 is equal to how many p orbitals? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, means there are the 10 p orbitals. So here 4n is equal to 8 and n is equal to 2. As it comes to be integer, and therefore here naphthalene is also, yes, also aromatic. Okay, next one, that is cycloheptatriene. Here the structure is just like this. This is cycloheptatriene. Why its name is so? Cyclo, because it is cyclic structure. Hepta, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 carbon atom, that's why it is hepta. Then there are the 3 double bond and therefore trine. So decide whether it is a aromatic or not. म्हणजे cycloheptatriene हे aromatic आहे किंवा नाही, हे आपल्याला दिलेले जे रूल्स आहेत त्याच्यावरून आपल्याला परखून पाहिजे. ओके, आणि त्याच्यावरून मग आपल्याला पाहिजे की ते अरोमॅटिक कॅरेक्टर दाखवते किंवा नाही दाखवत. मग आता या याच्यामध्ये पहा, इथे 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. ओके, 6 कार्बन ॲटम, 6 पाई इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आहे. 4n plus 2 is equal to 6 and therefore n is equal to 1, just like benzene. Hakel rule obey zala. Okay. Then second one, next this is the third rule. Then second rule, here first rule, that is it is cyclic and planar. Cyclic and planar. Okay. First and third rules, they are obeyed, that they are satisfied. But the second rule is that each, this is the sp2, each carbon atom is sp2 and must contain p orbital. Here vacant p orbital or containing the pi electron. Here this carbon atom, this is the sp3 carbon atom and do not contain any p orbital. Okay, vacant p orbital, and that's why this this structure, that is a cycloheptatriene, it is not aromatic. This is not aromatic. Point is clear? First and third rules are satisfied here. But the second rule, what is the second rule? Second rule, here they are the sp2 hybridized and containing p orbitals containing pi electron. Because of here, one is sp3 carbon atom in that cycle. एक sp3 carbon atom या cycle मध्ये present असल्यामुळे हा sp3 carbon atom जवळ आपल्या तिथे p orbital हे रिकामं नाही. Vacant p orbital नाही किंवा p orbital with pi electron तर नाहीच नाही. ओके. आणि त्यामुळे इथे अल्टरनेट सिंगल बॉन्ड डबल बॉन्डचं जे पाय ओव्हरलॅपिंग होते, पाय ऑर्बिटल्स ओव्हरलॅपिंग होईल and there is a delocalization of pi electrons not possible, and because of that here cycloheptatriene is not a aromatic. Okay. Next one, that is pyridine. Next one structure, pyridine. Pyridine, again here structure is just like this, nitrogen here 1, 2 and 3. Okay. So this is the pyridine and one hydrogen atom here. So here first point, that is it is planar and cyclic. Second, each carbon atom, even though this nitrogen contain p orbital, and how many here? How many pi electrons? Yes, there are 6 pi electrons, and as there are 6 pi electrons here, 4n plus 2 is equal to 6 and n is equal to 1. N comes to be integer, and therefore pyridine is a aromatic in nature, or this is the aromatic compound. Okay. So after watching this video, attempt the following question. First, what are rules decide given compounds, decide to predict given compound is aromatic or not. Third rule, second, what is Hakel rule? Third, cycloheptatriene is not aromatic. Explain why. Cycloheptatriene is not aromatic. Explain why. And fifth one, decide whether 2,4-dinitrophenol is aromatic or not. Aromatic or not.